Mm, 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 mm. All right, let me just get YouTube started as well, and then we'll go. Okay, we just gotta just hodl for a sec. Let me get. Did I just post it with nothing? Post. I just posted that. Did I just tweet with literally nothing on here? Do. Did I just send a tweet with literally nothing? I did. I just tweeted this. Oh well, whatever. That's fine. We don't even need to say anything else. That's fine. That's great, actually. So Johnny, Danielle, Iron Flame, Garv, I'm doing great. Huge economy, but isn't the president of the United States? I'm overqualified, chat. I'm overqualified. My mental focus? Why didn't it play? Why didn't that play, chat? Why didn't that play? Hello?
Properly tail recursive. Like,
okay, interesting. Okay, we're gonna have to solve that at some point too. We're gonna have to solve that. I don't know why that didn't play at first. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Okay. Looks like things should be playing right now. Does it not look like things should be playing? Sure looks like things should be playing to me. Gluten Morgan? Ah, sorry. I don't practice. I'm intolerant of gluten. I don't know why this stopped playing, dude. What is going on? Let me get YouTube live. Let me get YouTube live, and then we'll get started. Okay, then we'll get started. Okay. Very interesting. Why didn't that work? I want to do shutdown source when not visible. Yes, I want to do both of those.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Guys, the audio doesn't play from my Linux computer. I don't know how many times I'm going to have to explain this to you. That's just not the way that it works, okay? That's just not the way that it works. We get the ended event, but then nothing else played. Interesting. Okay, we'll just restart the server. We'll restart the server. That's going to fix the problem. I'm sure that's going to fix the problem. Let's do focused.
How would you say your mental focus is?
There we go. We're so
focused.
back. We are so back. Okay. You speak other languages? I only know the JavaScript of all the languages. Yeah, only English. What's up, Sahas? Welcome. I speak Arc Chooser. I'm familiar with how to communicate to them, but I don't practice myself. Yo, what up, Teej? Are you gonna be hosting NeoVimCon? We are. Actually, Prime and I are gonna be doing it in person in just under a month, actually. We tried turning it off and on again. I just did, and that worked, it seems. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. So, I speak fluent troll. True. We have this. We should have events. Is this the one? So I should be able to click this. Does this still work?
Recursive.
Nice. That's good.
Okay, well, it's actually my favorite.
Can you reset my sound? So let's get this set up. Oh, I see what you're saying. You need a new. You tested too fast. Okay, we're gonna get it set back up so that you can test your sound on the website again. So that means we need to get Cloudflare tunnels running again, which I don't know. Do I have that even installed? Cloudflare D? I do. Okay. So now, can you fix my bugs? I already did in dbCamel, some of them. All right. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to do this on a separate screen. Actually, you know what? Just so that we're really not here. We're going to go here so that I can't accidentally scuff anything, but I can, F you actually did exactly. Because you can create my own NeoVim plugin. Ooh, nice ass. So let me see what I need to do here with Cloudflare D again. Help. I need to turn on tunnels again. Tunnel. Help. Log in. There's an existing server to which will log in over. It is intentional. No, I don't think so. I probably don't need to do that. Status, maybe. Okay, how do I turn this on again, chat? Cloudflare tunnels. I don't remember how to do this at all. Risky move about tunnels to the internet. No. Cloudflare's is good. So the real question here is, if we turn this back on, should we set up a separate port forwarding situation here? So that we port forward a production version of the application. That's the only thing that I'm not sure what I should do, chat. So let's just, we can chat about that for a moment. Right? Because the lame thing is, I liked when we could just refresh and you guys would instantly get the fix. But there are a couple problems with it, right? Which is, when I'm editing something, everything's broken for you guys, and you always say it. So maybe we're far enough along that we should have a separate, like, production instance running. Yo, what up, John? Good to see ya. So I don't know, which do you guys like more? Instant feedback of it reloading every time I change something, or like the website is up more often while we're streaming? I feel like the instant feedback is cooler and less confusing, right? I feel like instant feedback is more fun, so I think that's probably what we'll do. I'm doing great, John. Yeah, I know. John, are you going to be in New York for the terminal event? I don't remember if we talked about this or not. Let it fail. That's what I'm saying. We're going to put the DB on Cloudflare. That way the website is available while you're offline. No, I don't need the website to be available when I'm offline now. At some point, we will properly deploy it, but I just feel like it's really not worth it right now. Get started. So how do I turn this on? Create a locally managed one. Download Cloudflare, this authenticate. Tunnel create name, tunnel list, Cloudflare D tunnel list. Okay. Sorry. I don't know which of this information is, you guys can absolutely just scuff and steal everything from my system, right? So I'm not gonna let you do that right now. Add Flutter Cloudflare signing package. Do I still need to do this? I feel like I don't need to do this, right? I'm just going to go back. I think it's fine. We'll just test it. Tunnel list. Could a config YAML file. This will tunnel root rack and give a name to the host name of your choice. You're connecting to an application. Start routing traffic. No, I already have tunnel run. Okay, let's just try this. Tunnel run. Tunnel credentials file not found. Okay. Okay, hodl chat. One sec. Create tunnel by establishing the name you provide and your UID to your tunnel. At this point, no connection after the tunnel. Create tunnel credentials file. Cloudflare tunnel create name. Cloudflare D tunnel create subbed local. I don't know. Let's test this out and see what happens. Okay. Okay. Hodl 1 second. Okay, nice. So now I'll just delete this old one. We'll delete the old tunnel. I probably should have checked what I actually had here now that I said that. Zero trust dashboard is locally configured tunnel. Okay. Start migration. Sure, I don't know. I have literally no idea what I'm doing. Okay. Create a tunnel. Run. Okay, I don't know what's going on. I still cannot show you guys what's happening because I feel like for sure I'm leaking things here. We have prod instance and we have reverse proxy FX falls back to prod if dev instance isn't available. That does seem very confusing though. Start migration. Yeah, connector ID here, blah blah blah. Confirm. Public host name. Add public host name. What did we have before? Rewards.teej.tv.
Okay, was actually my favorite.
Yep, I think we had that right. Wasn't that what it was? Rewards.teej.tv, right? Yeah, that's the one. Select, yeah. https://localhost 4000. Add additional application settings. TLS, that's fine. HTTP settings, connection, connect timeout, no heavy disable. Proxy type, keep alive connections, access. Okay, sure, we'll try this. For more details, let's just go subbed. No, that doesn't make any sense either. But what? But I already have this. Oh no, come on. Chat, I think I scuffed it. I think I scuffed it. I think we scuffed it here. Public host name, confirm here, add public host name. So I can't call this teej.tv here. Oh, we could go teej.tv / So this won't work. Cloudflare migrating with the same name. Migrating records with the same name. Okay, we got to check Cloudflare dashboard for this. Review your existing DNS. Okay. I probably should have done this beforehand, chat, before I got on stream, because it would have been easier, but whatever. Can't see code. That's because we're going to leak IPs if we do this right now. I don't know. I don't know. Rewards. This is not the same one, is it? No, it's the right one. Proxied auto. No, it seems good. It seems good. What is wrong here? It seems right. We'll just click confirm and see what happens here. Confirm. Migrate. Yeah. Okay. Migrate tunnel.
Tail recursive, like.
All right, hodl, chat. We're gonna hodl here.
Favorite.
Wait a second. Oh no, I figured it out. Yep, we delete this one. Okay, chat. I think I know everything now. Public host name. Add a public host name. Rewards.teej.tv. Localhost 4000. Save. Host name is required. I didn't. What? Hello? Oh my goodness. Okay. You. Rewards.teej.tv. Yep. Is this working?
Like,
Localhost
okay,
4000.
My favorite.
Okay. We're getting close, chat. I think unable to reach the origin service. Service may be down. Read TCP here. Read connection set by peer. Server fail tunnel. Okay, well we'll just try running this again. You know what though, chat? Before I do this, and I'm stupid, I'm gonna turn everything off on this page. Cloudflare D tunnel run sub local. Okay, we're gonna go back to here, and we're gonna take this, and we're gonna put this over here. Okay, yep. And then I'm going to delete this page, 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 delete this page. Yes. Okay. Okay, so now I can show you screen again. In before bad leak, what can you do? It's November 18, John. Are you like Prime and 100% ignore YouTube chat? Never. I read YouTube chat. All right. We're locked in, boys. We're locked in. Why is my activity feed not working on Twitch? Hello? All right. YouTube chats, I read them. Rewards.teej.tv. Bad gateway. 502. Rewards.tv host error. Okay. So why would that be happening? Error unable to reach the destination service. Okay, so something about the way that I configured this got scuffed here. I probably you know what would have been really smart, chat, is saving what I had in the previous version before I deleted it. Dang. That could have been pretty smart, I feel like. ChatGPT, you are a senior expert. That's probably what we're going to get to right here. This is... I don't think anything here. Chat, are you guys spamming the site right now? This is why we had to take it down last time. All right, so let's see. So this is what we had before. Request failed, unable to reach origin service. First maybe down or maybe not cloud. Read TCP, this to 4000. Why would this not be working for 4000? Oh, I remember. Now. Connection looks like TLS received on a clear channel. Okay, well, that's interesting. So I think the problem here is I turned this off before inside of config here. Or dev. I think we turned this off. 000 to allow access from other machines. Nope. Code reloader, true. Secret here. No. Do I have something here with TLS that's scuffed? Oh, do I not do HTTPS here? Oh, that's, I don't actually want to do HTTPS. Do I just want to do, I think I just do HTTP, right? Save. We'll try that again. That's probably the main problem there, huh? Oh, we're so back, boys. Sign in. Yep. Oh, chat, we're back. What do you prompt ChatGPT to get it less wordy? I give it the Grug prompt. Yeah, I just basically paste in Grug brain dev. Yeah, we just let Cloudflare do it. Wait, you don't want to get all your cred stolen today? Not in one day. Okay, so we're back now. Then this should be that if we go to, like, if we go to dashboard live and we say like Twitch ID here and we say yeah, and I save this, you guys should get yeah here. So if you're on the page, you should be getting yeah. Right? Right? Is everyone, if you're on the page, rewards.teej.tv.dashboard, you should be able to have this, right? Gotta log in. Yeah, gotta get those cookies in there. Okay, so now when we delete yeah, and we just go back to here, it should auto reload back to this. What's up, Carlos? Welcome. And it's gone. Okay, we're so back. The Teej economy is back. People should have been also collecting like they should have been collecting coins along the way, which is also good. So you should have some amount here if you're a sub.
Properly tail recursive. Like,
Zerbinho!
Oh, actually my favorite.
How are you updating the page real time? What do you mean? It's just this is my computer over Cloudflare Tunnel. So I refresh page, it refreshes page for you. Zerbinho, did you just get 25 coins? You should have gotten 25 coins for that. Select star from event. Coin ledger. Order by ID descending. Or descent. Right? Like this? Isn't that how you do it? Oh, look at that, chat. Look at it. I think my balance was reset. So the balance might be scuffed a little bit from the last time. I tried to import all of our old balances back in, but at some point that might not have worked. But so I don't know. So then, okay, so now we need to turn back on. Bills must be tight if you're trying to bring back a scam coin.
Yes,
Actually, it's just that I was feeling motivated to write Elixir after talking to Jose. Select star from Teej coin printer where output equals window. All right, so the next thing we need to do here is we need to go back and we need to turn on our all of our configs for the actual events themselves. So what did I put that in? There's like in mix something. Create rewards, I think. So these should be able to be turned back on now. Create new reward. Insert reward. Make Twitch JSON. Reward exists. Update this. This should, I think we can run this again. First, today spotted the first OCaml job in Germany. We're making progress. Nice. Stream or any live stream that matter. Can you give me a 101? Yeah, we're making a Teej economy. Why not use Golang instead of Elixir? Because you use WebSocket and currency. I don't really like writing Go very much. Go's fine if I was working at a company, but if I'm gonna work by myself, I definitely don't want to write Go. It's just not very fun. I don't get done writing Go and feel like, oh, it was a good day. It just pretty much never happens. Okay. Mix. Create rewards. Couldn't do it. Okay. Create customer duplicate reward. Yeah, I know. I know Oh my goodness. Okay, one sec again. I don't know if this is gonna leak anything. We'll just play it. We'll just play it safe again. We'll just play it safe again. Manage rewards. Let's just delete these old ones. Delete. Oh, actually, I can just reject all of them. Okay, sure. I'll give everyone their coins back. If they spent any on here. Let's try this one more time. Okay, what are sent? Too many connections. Okay. But everything else is fine. Okay, but did I put anything into my database here? Like star from Twitch rewards. What did I call that table? Twitch rewards. Oh, channel rewards. Channel rewards. Sorry, chat. One sec. Is this right? Well, I guess we can see. We can see if this is working. Oh, they're off right now, aren't they? Okay, we'll turn one of these on. Reward redemption, garner Teej coins. Did I just get one here? All right, I think I can show this again. We'll go back to showing. Here, garner Teej coins. Oh, nice, sweet. Okay, so it looks like that's working. It looks like that's working, chat. So I think you can buy Teej coins again. And by buy, I don't mean buy. Would you like a reminder? Should I not send this message? You know what? I'll give it a go today. Why not? Why not? At everyone. We are gonna write some elixir right now. Fixing Teej economy. There we go. What's Teej economy? It lets you do goofy stuff on stream. So if you go to, I think, dashboard. Yep, that should be working. And then you can go here. Do I have any of these? I don't think I have any of the other rewards turned on right now, though, right? Everything is turned off, that makes sense because I said that. So we called these effects, right? And I think all these are turned off right now. They're all enabled on never. Neovim. What about like the jump scare one? Enabled on Neovim. Oh, right, because I said I needed to connect those. Does this still work? It's a good. Oh man, that's a good question. That's a good question. Does this still work? Plugins, misery. Does this still work? Start misery. It did not work. I turned this off, I think. I should be able to just go dir is plugins, misery, plugins here. Okay, we'll try that. Start misery. Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay, doesn't module WebSocket not found. Okay. Did we remove WebSockets? WebSocket, socket ending. RG WebSockets. I don't have that. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah, why would I have not just installed this with this here and just gone like this? Okay, nice. Great. Start misery. Okay, nice. We go back to dashboard. Random color scheme. We're back, boys. Teej economy is a decentralized economy of meme coins. It's not a meme coin. It's a triangle system.
I want to feel like
Go
I'm the
Haplo,
one
thanks for the
who's
sub.
in charge here.
I would laugh every time with that one. You can't do those streams? Yeah. We're back to running up gains. People, you'll love life. I feel like I need to have this a little brighter. There we go. Attempt to index a nil value. Someone tried to just do jump scare and it didn't work. That didn't work. Why didn't that work?
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, Ocaml is actually my favorite.
Bisco, I'm gonna fix it. I'll send you your coins back, okay? I'll send you your coins back. Bisco, relax! I told you it's not working yet. Ah, shoot. Okay. Where did I put this then?
Best language.
Where did it go? Public media. Okay. So it's actually at the get root here. Jump scare. Root is vim fs root dot get print root. Oh, not this. Oops. Fs root. Require plenary dot debug plenary dot debug dot source file path. What is it? Oh, is it called debug utils? There we go. Misery and vim. Okay. Yep. So now we want to do this. Because now it's in, what did I call this? Public / media. Oh, right. Function built in 36 vim fs dir. Oh, and then I need to do like vim iter to table. Is that right? Oh, do I need to call this? Vim fs dir join path public media. We do get this one for sure. Vim fs dir. What does this do? Return an iterator? Oh, I need to keep calling this. Right. Okay. I forgot. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry. Iter to table. Doesn't this have dir to table? Oh, it's called to list now. Hem to index local dir a function value. That doesn't make sense, chat. Dir should return vim fs dir. Let's see. What are discounts? Everything's supposed to here's marketing. Hide my cursor for only 3 coins instead of 5 only today. We'll get there, of course. Guys, don't use the coins right now. Everything's broken. We don't do it right now. Don't use them. Return the iterator over items path. Each yields its own item name and type. Name is this following this. fs dir name. Okay. But then how do I actually use it? Do I need to make it into it? I thought this was a all to list, to listen, to table, to map, to table. Index local dir a function value. What am I missing here? Function. Do I need to do vim iter this? Okay, got it. Got it. Okay. Got it. Okay, Bisco. I don't have enough coins. Give Teej DV 1,000 coins. Send Teej DV 1,000. Is that what I did? Nice. I got a lot of coins now, boys. Trying to play this. Did it seem like it played anything? I did not hear it play anything. It did not work. That's because we're stupid. That's because we're just so stupid right here. Root.
Have the best definition.
This is the right route path here. Then this should be public media here. That's the one we need. Inflation coming. No, guys. You can print as much money as you want. And then nothing bad will happen. I don't know if that was loud or not for you guys. I feel like it probably was not loud. Could you even hear it? I feel like we need to play that. I feel like we need to play it through the OBS one. I don't think it's as good playing it through this audio. I think I need to play it through OBS. So I think we need to switch this up. We need to put it inside of here instead. Random color scheme is going to cost 5 billion before you know it. Yeah. Okay, so when we quit out of this should still turn off. Beautiful. All right, so let's change up how we're doing this, okay? Let's go to, where do we have this? It's jump scare.
Properly tail recursive.
These are all effects. Do effects always happen inside of NeoVim? Yo, hey, thanks for the sub. Was build trying to fix Dir2 table and I got 1.5 million ad and get none of the payoff. What? Oh. Yeah, sorry. What did we call this again? This is in overlay live. So what do we call it when someone actually clicks on one?
Tail recursive.
I've forgotten everything.
Actually, my favorite.
Well, hello. How's your focus? Oh, it's good, Nichidori. Oh, it's real good right now. Oh, not overlay live. Dashboard live. There we go. Because this should be effect component card. Effect component. I forgot what the message is that we send. Because I've forgotten everything. I've forgotten all the things. Effect ID. Value. Effect ID. Yep. Redeem button. So then what does it do? When we go back to here, I guess we have some handle info and it's like redeem and effect ID. We send self execute effect, which then we send effect handler execute. Okay. Effect handler. Oh, right. Yeah, because we got to do all this goofiness, right, to make sure you guys can actually do this. Right. Right, chat. Right. Now I remember. Chat. Now I remember. How to buy Teej coins. You can do it with channel points, but it's not buying. It's just exchanging. This color scheme is Groove Buddy. 1-1 rate for Trump MAGA coins. There's no conversion, chat. There's no conversion. Okay, so we have broadcast event, handle info here. Right. Yep. Okay, so I'm remembering now. It's been a little bit, but we're back now. So this is like inside of here, we broadcast that we're going to send this event, right? NeoVim might handle it. NeoVim might not handle it. Do I have anything?
Tail recursive, like, yes. OCaml is actually my favorite.
Right. Right, because what does this subscribe to? This subscribes to execute effect events. So if we go back to our overlay live, this is where we would have to handle this. Does this do? Does not. It does not. Mixery.subscribe to Subscribe to execute effect events. What's wrong with my LSP right now? Oh, that's surprising. Did it just move me to this page? Huh, that was weird. Okay. So anyways, all right, so now we can do this. So now what should happen is handle event, unhandled event. We need to handle all of the...
There is nothing you cannot do.
Why is my LSP not working right now? Elixir LS has crashed. Okay, nice. Good to know. We'll have to figure that out in a little bit. Maybe I'm on too new of an Elixir thing because I was trying to get Elixir 18 to work in. Skip my Ream sub and lost theme song. Oh no, that's not good. Teej coins go up. Okay. 2 Minix 3 kernel development. There's no amount. So then what we need to do here is wherever we had this, there should be like effect. Here we go. This is what we're looking for now. Yeah. Oh, we already have this. We're already doing this, although I don't know if we're ever actually listening to this, so that's kind of interesting. One thing I want to do here is I should say something like overlay effect. Yeah, that's actually good. Overlay effect here. Let's do this really quick, just to sort of see what's going on here. So this should reset those, which means I think if I reset this here and I click something like, oh, none of these are on right now, right? Because I'm not connected at all to NeoVim. Okay, yep, that makes sense. Start misery, we're here. These should be connected. Should be able to hit this. Okay, that changed the color scheme, and we should have gotten overlay effect right here. Beautiful. That's exactly what we're looking for, chat. That's exactly what we're looking for. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. So now what I want to do is that instead of some of these things should have an effect that happens inside of here. I'm really not sure I want to display what effect is happening. Well, I don't know. We'll have to think about this one, I guess. But so now we can do this. We can do case. Let's say effect dot. This should be ID. Right? And we can say something like, not random color scheme. Create effects. Where is my jump scare one? It's just jump scare. Okay. Jump scare. What are we going to do now? What are we going to do now? We're going to play the jump scare sound. What is your best Linux distro? I've never made a Linux distro. It's a good hedge, yeah. Can Elixir macros be implemented properly with LSP? What do you mean? I think right now this is Groove Buddy. This is my color scheme. I think right now the problem is I just changed the Elixir version that I was using in this project because I wanted to try Elixir v 1.18 with the new improvements, and I think I just went to something that the Elixir LSPs don't support. So I probably should not have done that. How many Teej coins per face reveal? Dang. Okay, so now how did we do? I think I have like a media thing or something. Do I have this? How did I do this before? It's like sound. It's for theme songs. Okay, I have a theme song thing here. Ledger. Yeah, this is this one. But how am I doing this right now here? I should have theme song. Right, when we get a new kind of thing, we're going to add theme song here. Yep. And it's a media, right? We're just calling this media. But I forgot how we added this in here. Oh, it's a notification, right? Is it called notification? I want to broadcast a notification from a random... Yeah, chat. Okay, here we go. Broadcast event notification ended. Handle notification ended. Yes. This one right here. So I need to send a notification. Does Elixir macros make it hard to have a good LSP? Some of the LSPs are good. So I think a lot of it's going to get sorted out in the next like 6 months is my guess, because they're all going to start working on the same one is my understanding. Do I have a notification here? Event. Servers notification. Handle call. Subscription. Broadcast event. Oh, okay. Event notification. Is this really how I had this set up? Video, theme song. Video, theme song. Type struct module ended. Field, event, enforce true. Okay. So I need to make a new one that's just like audio. Typed struct. Let's put this one. I'll just put this here. Typed struct module audio. Enforce true. Field URL string t. Field message. Something like this. Oops. There you go. That's one of the problems. That's one of the problems that we've got here, chat. Okay, now it should be back. Nice. That's one of the problems that we've got. How to transfer channel points to Teej coins. I'm new here. You can use they're available in Teej DV in the rewards for it, but I would just hodl for a sec. We're still fixing. Who can deadlift more? You or Prime? I'm pretty sure Prime, yeah. Yeah, Cutie, they just announced that, not just, but like recently, that all of the LSP maintainers are going to work on an official LSP together. Was that flashbang light background with code? Yes, that's when we have an error, the overlay breaks. Artificial, thank you, but no, Prime is definitely in better shape than I am right now. I'm not afraid to admit it. It's just true. Kind, video, theme song. We need to now have audio. And then we also need to do something like video. How do we have one that's video? We do right here. I feel like this probably should be... I feel like this video should come up here and go right after video. Module. Okay, nice. I see that this is scuffed again. Maybe I need to just change this to be some different background problem, but that's okay. Prime's mustache can lift a lot. Notification struct. Where did we make this? Type struct, enforce do, field ID. I think this can go here, right? That'll still be fine. Yeah, I don't think that's going to cause any problems. Nice. Okay. So now we can do the same thing here, but for audio. And we'll have an ID, a user, kind is audio, and this is audio. Okay, this is, I have to fix this if we're gonna do this. I forgot how I had this set up before. What were my I must have had some background. How can I change the background? Like I want this, but background is nothing. I just go like star, background, none. No, that doesn't work. Because I don't want to actually change the transparency on this. I forgot what I'm supposed to do. Kind, audio. Oh, whoops. Message is message. We had this problem last time. I don't remember what we fixed with it. Okay. I don't remember how we fixed the overlay. Just use HTMX. I like the fact that it's so simple. That will do nothing for what we're trying to solve right now, but I appreciate it. When did this turn into Fittest Comb Streamer? When someone asked me. I guess use Phoenix for front end. Yeah. Why not use other frameworks more reactive like SvelteKit or Remix? I mean, Elixir for backend and JS for front end. I don't need anything right now that is that's like interactive enough to need to write a bunch of JavaScript. Okay, so this would work. So we could make an audio one. Which means, oh, that's actually, maybe that's even better. Okay, so let's go to here. Maybe we don't have to do this. Maybe we can do this instead, where we have video somewhere. We should also basically have theme song here. We should be able to take this and paste this here. Change this to audio. This is not exactly right, but this will be fine for now, and we can sort this out later. So when we have, do I have like an effect handler? I do. Yeah. But that's a little bit different. He says live view is better than most things. Yeah, I think live view is really cool. Teej economy. It's this thing on the Twitch stream where people can get like coins to do goofy things on stream. All right, so we need to add this back in. Maybe this should always happen together. This is fine. Execute event here. So I need like effect server. Okay, so I guess we're gonna make a new gen server. Classic, let's make a new server. Okay, so we're gonna yoink this here, and we're basically gonna do all of these. This is now effect. And then we go back to here and we can say, I'd rather use solid over Svelte. I've been burned by Svelte. I don't have any opinions on them. Svelte 5 seems interesting. We might try it out sometime. Teach coins to Stanley Nichols. Okay, so this one should only subscribe to effect. Wow. Effect status updates. No. Execute effects. Execute effects. Subscribe to execute effects. Subscribe to execute effects. Did you mean execute effect events? Yes, that is what I meant. Thank you. That is what I meant. Okay, so now we go back to our servers and we can go to notification. And then basically what we want to do is we can write some nice impl true. If you consider I'm in a real try, but the apparent lack of debugger or debug experience scares me. Why not just use something else when you want to debug? What would be so bad about that? Mixery event effect, right? Where is my execute? Yeah, like if like just open up the tool that does the best job for that. You know what I mean? Like I think sometimes people get a little bit too like worked up that it has to be exactly the thing that they want to do for everything. That's not really my strategy. Like, I don't think that that's what you really need to do. Yeah. Isn't DAP a good debugger? Yeah, but I think it's good, but okay, if you're going to compare that to like the IntelliJ Java experience for debugging, come on. Let's just be realistic with ourselves, right? Like, which one is better? I don't think that it's even close. Right? So, most I just want to test and NVMe test is pretty great. Right. So I'm saying if you're like, I have to debug for XYZ, then, well, then just use IntelliJ for that. That seems awesome.
Oh my goodness! I actually died of Ligma.
Tired of JavaScript, Code Girl? Came to watch some real programming? Prime's yapping, just not doing it for you today? Relatable. Relatable. Okay, so now, though, we need to go... I forgot what this is even called. It's called, like, application. It is. It is. Audio player, ETS tables, telemetry repo. Where did we put my servers? Okay, nice. I can put this one at the last one, and we can go servers, effect. Nice. So now this should start up here. I like IntelliJ stuff, and not just because Prime is getting sponsored to talk about them today. I've said that for a long time. We're gonna ship multi-cursor on Envim, so I won't need to open VS anymore. I don't know. Envim IntelliJ when? I think they already have a pretty good idea of Vim stuff. Rider and Web. Yeah, I saw that earlier. Rider and WebStorm thing. Ew, IntelliJ. I don't know. I think it's pretty nice overall. Yeah, I think IntelliJ is pretty good. I'm also a fan that they say here's a product. If you like it, you can pay money for it. And then they keep on working to make the product better. I'm a fan of that as a strategy. I think that is pretty based. Okay, so now what I want to do is we're going to get all of the effect events. Yeah, I still like Westorm. I don't know that I'll stay on Ghosty forever or not. I don't have any strong opinions about it. I think the multi-cursor thing is more like about how people's brain works. You know what I mean? I don't think it's a huge deal that some people like it. Hot. Nice. I don't really feel held back that I don't have it, but yeah. New Balatro free DLC? Hit me with a link right now, Johnny. We're going to drop everything. We're just going to do that instead. Is there any info? Sure, I'll have some beans on it. Yeah, thanks. It's rice, bean, soon to be black beans, some pepper jack cheese, and some ground beef. Free Jimbo 2 update. Let's see this. Game's getting bigger. Friends of Jimbo 2. Wake up, Jimbo. We have a city to burn. Is that... Royal Flush. Nice. Oh, dude, my favorite card. What is happening? I don't understand what's happening right now. Wait, Friends of Jimbo 2 free update is available today. Full squadrons and more to come. What are they talking about? Is it just skins right now or what? I don't understand. Maybe I'm missing it. I thought there was like new gameplay coming. Not new gameplay. The visual. Okay, nice. It's funny. It's funny. Okay. So hypothetically now, if we start this up again, and I do something like, we need always for some of these. Yeah, I need to change jump scare to be always. Create effects. Jump scare. This should be always. Is that what we had for effects? Enabled on always. Yeah. So, okay. So let's say we do this. We restart this and I go mix, create effects. Will this update this? Okay. Nice. And then now when I refresh this page, hopefully for jump scare. Oh, why isn't that on? I thought that should be always. Select star from effects. Where ID is jump scare. Enabled on always. Okay, so that should say always. So when we go to our dashboard and we do, maybe we don't have support for this in here yet. IntelliJ, I have some thoughts and one of very little time many pet projects to work on. I've been making Spring Boot backends. We're switching the added effort. I mean, if you're writing Java and you have the option to write it in IntelliJ or VS Code, I don't think there's any reason to write it in VS Code. That one seems crazy to me. Effect component. Is that what we called this again? Effect component. Can afford and status is enabled. How did we calculate status, chat? How did we calculate status? Get all effect statuses. Effect status handler. Effect enabled on always. Oh, well that's stupid. This should probably be here. Repo. Oh, wait, no. Oh, that one's fine. That one's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Handle info. Status. Where else do I write status? Where not exist from as. From effects as status. Where not exist from as. Where parent as status effect ID. And this and this. Less than this. Oh, but does this not work for always? Status effect status. Disabled. Okay, we need to go where effect ID is jump scare. So what does this look like? I think we have a scuffed. So now it's enabled but then disabled. Why is it marked as disabled here? That doesn't seem right. Java ID is... Yeah. How do you like using Ghosty? It's good so far. It is dad bod, yeah. Okay, so why did we... So it says we enabled it here, and then 4 seconds later we turned it off. Why did we turn it off? That doesn't make sense. Maybe we should put this here. When we init this, we should put this here and we should say enabled. That probably makes sense. Let's try restarting it all and then see what happens. So it got disabled. Why? What? This probably is something left over from when I had always. Put enabled here. Status enabled. Yeah, handle info. Emit neovim statuses. Where effect neovim. From F in effect where effect. Or rerun enabled and F. Okay, so this is effect. Effect enabled on where it's where it is NeoVim or rewrite enabled and effect enabled on rewrite. Broadcast event status. What? This doesn't seem right either. I don't think it's that, I guess. I don't think it's that. I don't think it's that. How am I inserting disabled into here? That doesn't make sense. All right, so status here. No. That one. That doesn't seem right. It could be this one. It could be this one. From effect and effect where effect enabled on is equal to NeoVim or rewrite enabled and is rewrite enabled on? It's not on. So it should be only if it's equal to NeoVim. Repo all, enum each. When are you going to upload the Top Shelf episode with Jose? Probably in like almost 2 weeks. We're going to try and release episodes on Mondays. Every other Monday to start. So there's sort of like a regular cadence of them. So we have to release the Yapsine episode and then... Oh, no, actually, that's not right because we have Ryan Dahl and then Yapsine and then Jose. I don't know exactly. But we're trying to get a little bit of a backlog so we can have sort of a regular cadence of them getting released. Because I think it's a little bit nicer for everyone. Sweet. Thanks, honey. Ooh, and some jalapenos. Nice. Okay, so I don't know why this is getting disabled. Oh my goodness, it says always. I scuffed that. There we go, that's why. Okay. There, that's why. Let's restart this and see what happens. Nice, there we go. So now if we go to dashboard here, we look for jump scare, it should just be on. So then that should work here, which is good. And then ideally we see, where did I say inside of my server event? Server event effect. I said new event. Nice. So we are getting that right here. Perfect. Teenagers of vegetarian jalapenos. Yeah, sorry, they're not meat jalapenos. But there is ground beef in here. That is unvegetarian. No, just release it. I know. But it just really doesn't work that way. How do I view images from Terminal NeoVim? I don't. Sweet. So what I want to do now is I want to go like this. I don't think I need Infiltra on all these, right? Whoops. So now we should be able to go. ID is jump scare. Whoops. There's the ID jump scare like this. Nice. There we go. And then what do we want to do with this? Okay. We're going to send a new event, a notification. Mixery notification. Notification. Event notification. Right. Event notification. Dot audio. Right? Yep, audio. So that should be some string. Something here. Oh, I do have debug everywhere. So that I can trace what happens. What do you think about wave term? I've never heard of it. This is probably stupid for me to put these here. Where did we put Okay, that's where we have this. Assets. No. Where did I put everybody's? Oh, private, static. There we media. Okay. Yep. So let's just take these from public here, and let's yoink these, and we're gonna put them right here. Yeah. And we can do this as well. Okay. So where did I do gifted 20? This might be really loud. Well, we're going to find out, I guess. So let's do something like event audio. So this should take a URL, which is like media/airhorn.mp3. Yep. Then it should take message and optionally a user. Heck W, right? Of course. And the user should be, I think it's my username, which is like 114. Let's try and do, I forgot what this is. I think it's this. I think we can go like this. Oh, wait. Doesn't this have a user? What does execute effect have on it? Whoops. Effect. This should have a user, right? Cost is user input required, or execute effect, right? Execute effect. Yeah, it's got a user. Okay. So I should be able to just go user here, right? Or do I need to go user like this? Nice. I don't know. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens now. I don't know if this will live update or not. I'm also going to turn down... Oh, I have mixed reality. Oh, nice. We got some theme songs. But we'll listen to these while I'm eating. Phone connection phones are fun with tinnitus. What? What? All right. I'm going to turn this down just in case. Let's see. Okay. Didn't seem like it did anything. Did it actually send anything? No, I think I need to restart this. Because I don't think it was loading those. Let's try this again. New event. Okay, so that didn't work. Clicked event jump scare. We get this event right here. That's not the right...
Oh my goodness! I actually died of ligma.
But RJ's, I turned down the sound. I turned down the sound. Oh, this needs to be effect. I know. Here. Wait. This doesn't load for you guys, right? Oh, I'm sure this does, doesn't it? Oh, no. Here. I'm going to have to turn this route off.
Oh my goodness! I actually died of
There we
ligma.
go. There you go. Can you guys load this route?
Made it properly tail recursive, like
Yeah. Okay.
Ocambo's actually my favorite. Made it properly tail.
Okay. Time for a quick detour. Just hodl for a sec. I didn't have that one turned on to be only for me. So just hodl for a sec, chat. That was from when I didn't have this exposed again. That was from when I didn't have this exposed. You know what we probably should do is we'll just have to pause for a sec. Pipe through Teej. Did I ever sort this out? Okay, let's try this. Let's try this, shall we? I have no idea if this is going to work. We'll run this again. Can you guys log into here? Can you go there now, chat? Can you go to this route, or does it give you an error? Nice, I'm seeing sent 403. Yep. Nice. Nice, okay. Doesn't work. Good, 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 good. Good, good, good. Now I can still click this.
It's properly tail recursive.
And it still works.
Like,
Great.
OCaml is actually my favorite.
Very cool, very cool. 1984. Sorry, chat. I need to go back to here. And this is the one that I want to say, I think, now. Alright, so now we go back to this. Go to jump scare. Turn this down. I don't know how the jump scare sound should be. Nothing. Jump scare. Event ID. Okay, so we did actually get jump scare this time. It says we got this. Right here. Notification audio. Oh, I just made an event. I'm foolish right now. I'm foolish. I didn't actually broadcast it. You can't just make an event. That would be dumb for that to actually make it do everything, right? Oh, chat. Nice. Okay, let's try this again. We'll turn it back to where I think I had it before. About here. Is that loud for you guys? I don't know if it's loud for you or not. It's not super loud. I feel like that's still not super loud. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Now we need to have it pick from some of the available options. So it's like we just need to pick a random one from here. Right? Sounds is air horn. That MP3. No, it's actually, believe it or not all called air horn. Inception horn. And metal pipe. Stop. Right? We need to pick sound is... Really, that's nice. Okay. We should just do the whole thing here, which is /media. Oops. /media / this. Huh? Alright, so now it should be that whenever I click this, we get a different one.
Stop! You violated the law.
Nice.
Stop! You violated the law.
Hopefully it doesn't pick the same one every time. Nice. Truly random now. That one's so good.
You? Yeah, I bet.
The Charlie Scream one is so good.
You make me sick. Your weakness is pathetic.
Nice. We'll figure out the exact right level of that later, but I like it. Why or what right aligned? I don't know what you mean. Okay, so now we got to go back to tasks. Where did we actually load this up? Lua, misery, nope. Is it in task here? All right, so I can just go to tasks and I can remove jump scare. I'm just not gonna have that one. And then we can also go to public here and I can just delete this because we don't need that anymore. Great. The buttons. Well, before they were supposed to be, this is like the right size that it's supposed to be. No jump scares, teach time we take. No, now it plays better.
Stop! You violated the law.
Because now it does the music pause and everything. So it's good, actually. It's actually better. It doesn't have to be. T-joint valence from config rewrite was lost. Is that right? Oh, no. Okay, I'm going to have to sort. I'll sort some of those out later. Won't music pause make the jump scare not a jump scare? What do you mean? It's going to happen literally like... I don't... It's the same pause that happens when people play... like their theme song and stuff. I think it's still surprising. We'll sort out the volume and stuff later. I just want to see Teach Skirt. I'm sure this is going to get me sometime, especially I'll turn it up a little bit more later. Okay, so that one's good. That should be working just fine. That's great. Jump scare time. Okay, nice. I like this. This is a nice, I think this is a nice pattern here. This is a nice pattern. I like this. Although I don't know why we... Ronaldo is the one that generates them. Not sure I like that as much. I need to think about that a little bit more. I'm still definitely trying to get a feel for how to like structure a bunch of these like an Elixir project. You know what I mean? What's up, Jay? Like in this case, I actually don't really like this. I kind of wish that I just did this. And that instead, because this just does this broadcast event here. This should broadcast, and we're going to notify, which then this should put this into the queue. So this is actually mixing. I think I will switch this up. I'm just going to make another, just more gen servers. Did you ever consider switching to an alternative keyboard layout? I've never really thought about it, no. If my hands still hurt a lot after I had switched to like an ergo keyboard, I would have. But they never, like, a lot of the like pain that I was having before I switched, it all like went away when I switched keyboard layouts, and so then I didn't need to. So, and like I type fast enough and everything else. Do you have foot pedals? No, but maybe I should get some. All right, so now we can remove this from here. And we can just take these here. And then this should be, we put this here like this. And this shouldn't have subscriptions mentioned at all now. So this is just notification and notification ended. This is our server that handles that. And it does debug new event. I don't think we need this. And I don't think we need this right now either, because these are actually working. I think we can do something like this, which is unhandled notification. Isn't this right? Yeah, that's fine. MSI's gamer pedals with 3 switches per foot connected. You can daisy chain their cabling. Yeah, I don't really know that I actually need anything like that, but it's fine. And then basically I will yoink this and I'll put the same thing down here. Subscription message. Oh, doesn't this needs to reply with some state, which is like okay and nil or something like this probably. Like it just doesn't need anything else besides this. This also doesn't need this. Its state is nothing. Okay, so that's good. This one still needs a queue. This pops things into the queue and pops it out. And this is notification ended and notification executed. That's great. So now I go back to my application here, and then we also have mixery.servers.subscriptions, right? And I need to restart this all because it needs to load that in. So ideally now, if I go to here and go to events, and I click test subscription, we should still have this work.
Like, OCaml is actually my favorite.
Subscriptions terminating. Argument error. Oh, did I put server subscriptions? Oh, I think I did right. So I don't need to do this at all. I just pass state back again. Because this is just here, and we go like this. We go here. Don't need that, and we don't need that anymore. Is that oil? Yeah. Teej, what's up, buddy? I speak fluent steak and potatoes. Yeah. Language are you best at? It just depends on the problem. Oh, I need a gifted one. Broadcast event. Yeah, because we don't need... Oh, this is in subscriptions. Oh, we don't have to do this either. No, this is just state as well. That's right. That's right, because we just don't need to do that anymore. Broadcast event. Oops. Because we're not dumb and we put the things in separate stuff that actually does only what they need to do. Excellent. Okay. So now when I click test subscription event, we shouldn't get an error here at all.
OCaml is actually my favorite.
Nice. And then when we click this twice,
Properly tail recursive,
we should get an extra
OCaml is
notification
actually my
waiting.
favorite.
Beautiful. And then that should play.
Properly tail recursive, OCaml is actually my favorite.
How's your Laravel and C# projects that you just find? What C# project? The Laravel one that we built, like the overlay, it was just for the basketball game. It's a handsome beer. Hey, thanks, CTH. Appreciate that. Does Prime know that we have a meeting in an hour? What are the odds Prime remembers that we have a meeting in an hour and 15 minutes? I'm thinking it's pretty low, is my guess. Odds are 7, yeah. Do you do anything else than NVIM, LSPs, and plugins? What do you mean, do I do anything else? What am I working on right now? What language do you have the longest professional experience in? Probably Go. Yeah. Second would be Python, probably. All right, so this seems to be working great. I really like this pattern. Do you work for a certain company except the coffee shop? I did. I worked for Sourcecraft before this, and then I quit to go do my own thing. So now it's just doing our own stuff. I stream, by the way. Yeah. He streams, by the way. That's funny. Okay, that works great, actually. Okay, so then we can also put other tracks behind here. Leaderboard, we probably don't need that. This one we can put here. There's no reason for you guys to be able to trigger that one. Let's go through our routes here. / index live, which is nothing basically right now. Type through browser leaderboard. Yep. Yeah, that one's fine. Auth, yeah, those are all good. / dashboard live session require authenticated Twitch. Very nice, very nice. Pipe through redirect here. I don't think we need any of this. Just complete your memory management course on boot dev. Very cool. Are you gonna do another one? Oh, awesome! I'm really glad you liked it. Hey, thank you. I'm pretty interested. Like, did you feel this kind of unique take on it and stuff? I felt really happy with how it came out, but I'm interested to hear, you know, feedback from people doing it. Lane and I are we're like talking about what we should do next. My thought would be the next one. I don't know. I kind of want to do an OCaml one because it seems fun and people seem like they think that would be cool, but I don't know if people are interested in doing that or not. So I have to talk with Lane. But I would like to do another one. Okay, so now we have dashboard working again. We have ability to get coins working again. We have our overlay working pretty well, and we have the ability to play events inside of this instead. I do kind of feel like the dashboard, maybe we should do something besides this for the dashboard where it like shows up at the top or something, only the ones that are available. Not really sure. Because it's kind of lame that like all of these show up down here, but then there's one down here like this, right? We could also just hide them if they we could just put hidden on them. Let's see what that looks like. Div class effect component card here, group flash, def render assigned flash, flex call here, that's your theme songs, effect component card for each of them. Yeah, let's go to effect component card and let's just see what this looks like, where if it's enabled. I'm just going to put hidden here. How would I do that conditionally inside of this class? I don't know how to do that inside of here. We can ask ChatGPT for that. Let's see. How would I conditionally set the class of a div in live view based on something from assigns? Okay. Make the available ones at the top. What do you not like about Go? It's like, besides the type system and the easy ability to shoot yourself in the foot for a ton of things, like I miss having ADTs. It's just not very fun to like write. Oh, interesting. You put this inside the string. I wouldn't have thought of that. So can I go like this? Can I just go
Made it properly tail recursive, like
at
OCaml is actually my favorite.
Status equals disabled. Can I do this really? I didn't think this could go inside of here. I feel like the string, this is not going to work, right? Surely this can't go inside of here. If this hidden end, right? Isn't this what I need to do? Extend it. Expect closing string for this. Yeah, I didn't think so. That is wrong. I would like an OCaml one. Maybe right in the HTTP server. It could be good. That is wrong. Yeah. My eyes. Sorry. Like I said, I got to figure out how we can turn that back off. That was one of the things we had working, and then I forgot what we did. I don't remember what we did to make that happen. Okay, so I think that this just doesn't seem right at all. Pretty sure this doesn't work. I don't think this can just go inside of a string. Nice. Thanks. I'll check that out. Oh, sick. What? Is this real? Ah! So I need to look at is loading, rounded. Okay, so can I go hidden? And I go status equals enabled, like this, or disabled. And then we just take this here. It seems like there's no way that this works, but you never know. What is this? Syntax before here. Okay. Sorry, I'll turn this off for a sec so you guys can actually see what's going on here. Disabled. Is it because there's one here? What if I just do this? Okay, maybe it's not hidden like this. Maybe it's hidden. Flex call here, comma, hidden. Oh, dang. Hey, oh no! Awesome, but I have things turned off right now. Sorry, one sec. Button is loading. This doesn't seem like it works. How are they doing this? How are they doing this, chat? Phoenix live view. We need to go to the source, boys. We need to go to the source. Div. Heeks. We need to look at Heeks. How does this work? Can I just do this? What? I don't understand what. Oops, I don't understand what this is supposed to be. I don't understand, chat. Keyword hidden, but quotes are not required. Just add data hidden and start with Tailwind. Okay, well, we'll try this. Let's try this, I guess. Where did this go? Syntax before here. Oh, do I need to refresh this maybe? Nope. Invalid syntax. I don't know how to make this page not be light mode. For sure you need the class to be a list. Oh, it is telling me that I have the error here. Syntax before here. Does this work? Or does this work? Okay, this works. What about now? What if I go hidden? Okay, nice. So they're all hidden. So I can go case at status enabled. Whoops, I mean disabled. Or is it what? I forgot what the case do. Whoops, case do end, right? Does this work? Oh! Oh! Now we're talking. Okay, so now, chat, I go back to here. I open up this. I type start misery. It adds them back. No, sorry. It's that it's in the background right now, but it should be. You can turn
Properly
it on
tail
now.
recursive.
Oh,
like,
sweet.
OCaml
Event
is
saving
actually my
worked.
favorite.
Chat, we actually are getting kind of far. Nice. I don't know why the theme song didn't play, but oh, there it is.
The whip, the nay-nay, we were bouncing all over the place, hitting the corner.
We're so back, boys. We are so back. Right? So then if I go to here and then we quit out of that, boom, we're back to this. Okay, I don't know why that didn't work. That seems like it should have worked. Oh, something went wrong here. Something went very wrong here. Server effect terminating. Argument error. Q in this. Q Earl 232. Effect X31. Effect EX31. No, that can't be right. Server's effect. Oh, server effect 31. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I didn't change this yet. This just needs to be nil as well. And then this needs to be... we just say state. I just say state here. I should be smart and say state. What? Are we building services that have... We fixed it and then it just started again? Oh, chat, Pog crazy. That's crazy. I don't know why it didn't work the second time though. That seems a little bit less good. I don't know why it's not. I don't know why it didn't do that.
No, it's just Chuck Testa.
Okay. We refreshed the page. Unhandled event. Apparently we started ads. Debug notification loading. Okay. When. Okay. It must be that we broke something inside of here. Oh yeah, true. That's a good point. Servers effect. Okay. Yeah, we don't need to write this anymore. Boom. Okay. We are so back, boys. What's up, Andres? Good to see you. How's life in the YouTube chat? How do you like Elixir so far? I really like it. I think for me, my suspicion is I will like Elixir a lot more in 1 to 2 years after they have more of the type system things built in, because I'm a type enjoyer big time. I'm a big time static typing enjoyer. So for me, it feels painful because it feels sometimes a lot like I'm writing OCaml, but I have so much less confidence that the letters I typed on the screen are kind of like what are what I want them to be, if that makes sense. Right? OCaml mentioned, of course. So that's the part where I feel maybe some of that would go away. It's never going to get OCaml-like with the type system. Well, it's not going to get OCaml-like in exactly the same way, but I think you'll be surprised at how far you can go with some of the things they're doing, though. Love to go functional. What's up, Pick, by the way? Love to go functional on the back end as well. Been loving front end using Elm.
Coding through the night. His white paper's tight, ready to unite. Haskell conference, the perfect place to shine. But when he hits submit, he sees decline. Pig's heart sinks, motion start to fray.
I feel like we need to get another Pick song. How long is the intro? For Pick, it's a full song.
Again, he can't understand why. Pig won't give up, no, he'll reach for the sky.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta turn Pick songs down, otherwise I'm gonna go too crazy. Pick, did you like my tweet where you were mentioned? I mean, I saw that you liked it, but I just wanted to bring it up for chat. Man, we got him, boys. We got him. All right. Anyways. So the answer to your question though is that I do really like Elixir. I like it quite a bit.
Developers.
But I'm missing a lot of type things. Oh dang! What up, Kristen? Particularly, I feel it's a little disappointing. Oh, what up, Ram? As well. Of when you do things like, where do I have this? Event reward subscription. Like, I really want the type system to tell me that I put something besides audio. Audio. Is it not in this one? Subscription? Oh, that was in notification. So, for example, it's like, okay, so I can specify that this field has a kind and it can be these different things. But if I type video here, like this, it doesn't care. That seems lame. The LSP at least needs to inform me, right, of that. So I don't know. Yeah, Gleam is interesting. I don't know. Like, I think I prefer OCaml over Gleam. So if I was going to work on trying to do a bunch of stuff like building for an ecosystem, I would probably just rather write it in OCaml. You know what I mean?
Okay, ask me what 9 times
you were
F
just telling me
is.
on Go, but I
It's
didn't relate to what you're
75.
saying because when I back something I'd done in Python after doing Go for a while, it just felt like sloppy. Yep. I mean, it could both ways. It might work both ways, Crimson. You never know. There's a lot of weird people on the internet these days. So is the reward thing fixed? Yes, kind of. Yeah. So we're live again with rewards. We're live again with rewards here, right? You can click this. I have no idea if that's really loud for you guys or not. It's pretty loud for me. It's not incredibly loud, but it's pretty loud for me. So I don't know if that jump scared you guys or not. We'll have to figure out some of the audio stuff there, but. So next thing, crank it up, pretty loud. It's almost deafening, about the same as theme songs. That is actually impossible that there's 4 different people sending things and it's not, and everybody is disagreeing. The point's reset. So I still might try and go back and solve that. When I reset my computer a little while ago, because I was just like, I just kind of wanted to try. I did a factory reset here and I forgot that I wasn't using SQLite anymore. So I have like a real database, a real Postgres database. And it turns out those aren't stored in your home directory. And so that database disappeared into the ether, you know? Check out my plugin. Sahas, probably not right now, but maybe sometime. Almost deafening might be the same thing. Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I mean, I'll turn it down again. I'll turn theme songs down a little bit as well. I don't know. Put your data during conf in there. I don't know how. I didn't do that though. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just didn't know. Do you miss being a wagey? There are parts about it that I miss. Yeah, but I'm having a lot of fun right now. We definitely wouldn't be doing so many goofy things if I was still back doing like a real job. Okay. So it feels like we got that working. I do really like that that style. I'm trying to think what's the next thing we should try and... No, it does use SQLite. I don't know what you mean. I was using SQLite before, but I turned it off because I like Postgres. This is Nonicons or something like that. Yeah, SQLite's great. It's just that, I just was missing some stuff there. Need to back up your DBs with Backblaze. Yeah, I mean, we could definitely save them somewhere. That probably would not hurt. Oh, right. We had OBS connections working. I don't know if this is still working. We could try and do some OBS control as well. For example, earlier, I know we had something for like an ad break happened. We could switch our scene during ad breaks. Like, that would be kind of fun to add as an option. I have like 40 minutes before I need to go. By the way, just check and I just need to ask Prime if he's coming to the meeting in an hour. Yeah, we'll ask him. Oh, nice, they're going over React server components.
But for now, we'll also talk about the use optimistic hook, which is introduced in React 19, which actually helps to optimistically update UI.
Nightshade, are you in here? Can you make sure Prime sees this? It's actually gonna be fun. It's gonna be a fun meeting, though. It's with front-end masters. I thought I heard him say 3 p.m. his time. 3 p.m. his time? Hopefully not 3 p.m. his time, because that's 2 hours wrong. I'll just send it again. Is he going to reply to me or what? Use Go. That's pretty funny. Hello?
Because it'd be kind of strange to show you a list, and then when the server comes back, if that list cannot be like...
We're just live reacting to Prime, live reacting to JetBrains.
Comes back from the server, then you just like...
Or do I not have any Primogen mods in the
like
chat
and where to go.
who can pin my message?
That seems like that wouldn't be good, I would assume.
That's how use optimistic helps us. It also gives you back the optimistic state, which is how you want the data to be updated based on the optimistic value.
Where's Nightshade when I need him?
There's also a new API.
How much left? JetBrains Day.
It kind of looks like a hook, but it's actually an API, and it can be used.
JetBrains JavaScript Day. Let's see.
This is all server-side stuff, right?
Is context.
Agenda.
Oh, it's not. Context, you have to actually wrap it providers. But with the
they've still got a while.
Like in this component, you can just use.
They've still got a while.
It can also be used to.
How does that work? Because context is a tree, right?
Oh, there's still a lot left. Oh, he's not making it.
Oh, okay.
He is not making it to the meeting.
So it's using its position.
What's new? It's only been on his calendar for 2 weeks.
Hook tree that's actually being built as you render down. So it's using its position and then walking the parents up.
Well, that's okay.
To find the last.
All right.
No.
Well, that's fine. I won't even. I just won't even tell him. Do you not have his phone number? I do, but I didn't want to call him right now. All right. For 2 weeks, that's the main problem. I know. It's okay. It's not a big deal. I don't need him at the meeting. It's usually... Well, how can I say this since I'm on stream and I realize I can get clipped? Let's say this. Let me just think for a second. Let me put on my political hat here, you know? Shoop. I find that meetings are often very effective when I'm running it and the only representative. Let's say there's a lot less yap. You know? I feel like that's all I'm going to say. He responded. What did he say?
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Use stores no data. So therefore...
Did he actually?
Okay. What's new?
It's okay. I'm sure he's not. I think he's just not going to make it. Told you not to book on this day. Wasn't in his calendar. Okay, that's fine. Tell him it's okay. It's just with them. I got it. Okay. All right. Calendar. I'm going to say it worked. It worked in my calendar, so I don't know. It's not a big deal though. He doesn't need to be there. I'll just let him know that he really doesn't need there. Okay, there we go. That's fine. All right, next up, chat. Next up. I don't need him, chat. I don't need him. Coins are working again. You know what would be pretty fun? You know, it'd be pretty fun. What if we write our own Twitch chat thing? Let's see how far we can get in like 30 minutes. Right? Because I should be getting these messages. I think. In Twitch handler. Does that happen through here? Yeah, I get all these messages here. 30 minutes is ages. That's what I'm saying. So we're already getting the messages coming in, right? We're already getting the messages coming in. So we already have that part. So that part's not a big deal. The question would be then what's the best way to display them in the front end, right? Because how would I do this? If we're in overlay live here. Right now, we don't have any chat messages, basically, right? When we first open up the socket, there's no chat messages to start. I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to send messages up to the front end, and then after like 5 seconds or something like that, they're going to get automatically cleared out, right? How to convert channel points to Teej points? You can do channel rewards like this. So my thought is basically like, so we already received Twitch chat messages, right? So then we need to forward that to the front end. That's not so bad. And then, which is already easy to do. The thing that I don't know how I would do in...
properly tail recursive, like,
nice.
OCaml is actually
that I don't know how I would do in the overlay is to automatically remove those after some amount of time. Like the dumb way of doing it would be something like this. Okay, so let's say we go to event and we have chat, user, message, and this. Okay, so that's fine. That's fine. Are we sending these in Mixery? Do we have any way to send chat? We do. So we have chat, events, which I'm guessing we're probably not listening for in overlay. Oh, sorry, chat. Mixery.subscribe to chat events. Right? I think we probably don't. I don't know if we even do this connected thing. This is on mount. Thanks, Gorange. Okay, so now we get a chat event here. So I want to just do something simple like handle event here. This should probably be now like if I say hello, I'm assuming that that's whoops. Or if we type hello here, I don't think handle info. Nice. Hey, nice. That's exactly what I was looking for. Oh, because this is handle info, right? Nice. Perfect, chat. Handle info. So this is def handle info event.chat socket do end no reply and oops, no reply and socket for now. We're not going to do anything here, but we will just say chatting just to make sure. Okay, so now when we do this and we say, yeah, we should get chatting. Sweet. So right now, this right here is part of a completely different overlay like chat system. So I want to put it into the same system that does the that does everything else for my ecosystem, right? So I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna have to rewrite a million features from Rust Elixir. I know, Began. I'm ready for you. I'm waiting. This has been public for a while. You can run it, you know, Began. I'm just waiting. So I can skip to it now. Oh, we're never switching from Elixir. Never. You don't need to even worry. I don't even know what you could be talking about, vegan. Assign socket. Don't we have one where we like update it? Where's the one where we like update something? Yes. So we can go back to here and we can say update socket. And it's chat messages. And it's like, I don't know how I'd write this. We'll just ask ChatGPT. This is definitely a ChatGPT question. How would I append to a socket with the field chat notifications, which is a list of chat messages when I receive a new message in an event? No, Avante. I don't really know if I like it that much in editor. Whoops. I'm stupid. I forgot to say in Elixir. I am using Stream for some stuff, but I don't know that this one I actually need to do it. Ah, right. There we go. I can do this, right? I can do this. Socket dot assigns. Yeah, I can, and then I can just go like this. Isn't there like what about with the update function? Yeah, I have O1 preview. There we go. Well, I'm trying out both of them. Chat. Undefined variable message. And let's go debug chat, and let's say socket.assigns .chat notifications. I think that will work. Test. Chat notification not found in this. Oh, why did I say? Oh my goodness. Chat notifications. Chat messages. Okay. Test. Nice. And we should have a sweet. Okay, awesome. That's great. All right, so then instead of storing the whole message, which we don't really need. I mean, I guess it's fine right now. It's not like it's that much stuff, really. Okay, so now we just need to display this. And what I want to do, this should have an ID here, right? Somewhere? No. Do we have a chat ID anywhere? Oh, we don't. Interesting. Feels like we should. Beacon, you gotta find it. If you can't find it yourself, then you don't deserve to be able to change the Rust code to Elixir. So that's kind of how I'm feeling right now. I assume a message would have more metadata. It does, Wilson. That's only the stuff that I've saved for it. So there is more metadata, but this is already after I've like massaged it into my system. Because it also has a bunch of stuff that's useless and other things like this. So right now, meta of the metadata. Exactly. This is basically one big notification. So let's just do something like this. Let's go. This is not right at all. Nice. Chats. Okay. So now we need to go div. And how did I do this before? Where do we do for? We have this somewhere here, right? Yeah. for chat at chat messages. Then this is, do I need to go like this? Chat dot user, that's not the right thing though. We want to go like chat dot message dot text. Chat dot message dot text. Something like this. I don't remember which way this works. Is this right? No at unsupported attribute 4. Oh, whoops. Equals. There we go. Chat is unused. Okay, so that just doesn't work at all. I don't remember how to actually make this into like a... I don't know how to make this into like text. How do I put this back as text? That won't work, will it? Hello? Okay, nice. There we go. Oh, thank you. Yes, that's right. Or it's like this. Chat.message.text. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Easy. We're pretty much there. You know what I mean? Chat.message. Chat.user.login. Chat.user.display. Now reverse it. Yeah, we got to do the same thing. We'll just do it reversed and all this other stuff. It's easy peasy. Yeah, there are message IDs for sure. Look, we already have chat basically now. This needs AI CSS. I'll open a PR for you. Yeah, here we'll ask. We'll do it. We'll try it. Leader AE. What? Why didn't it work? What? What? Change this to be good Tailwind CSS for displaying a Twitch chat in the browser. I'm using Avante right now. I'm Avanteing it right now just because you said so. Nice. I don't have my API key set up for it right now, so never mind. So we're gonna go back to here. We'll give it to O1 preview. Okay, we'll give it to O1 preview. Let's try this. Change this Elixir code to look good in the browser for displaying Twitch chat messages. Oh, wait, no. Sorry. Stop. I need to go back and edit. Use Tailwind since you are an expert at it. Make it look so cool and fun. There we go. Sorry. If this doesn't work, I'll threaten myself. Wow, designing chat elements. What we should do is we should ask V0 Dev. Okay, that actually looks not too bad. I could see this looking good, chat. I could see this looking good. Am I missing a div here? It didn't like it at all, chat. It didn't like it at all. Outdented here doc line. What? Screen key. Div. Do I have too many divs? Not enough divs? Okay. Okay, now we're getting closer. I swear, guys, you cannot do this. This does not work. But it's not avatar.profile.url. Where is it here? We got to go way back up. I forgot what we were storing in the messages. Okay, let's go down to here. Am I storing anything in these yet? I think it's just so scuffed that it's not working at all. Oh, I need to probably turn this back on. Okay, nice. Okay, errors, but that's fine. We don't care about that. That's no problem at all. Avatar URL, right? It's profile image URL. Profile image URL. Keep typing, chat. Okay. Okay. It's kind of working. Class is background gray. Oh, it BG gray, right? Okay, well, obviously we need to do max W for XL. Probably this too. BG gray minus 100. There we go, chat. Truly PhD level styling. Pretty good. What is this padding? That looks pretty good. This is fun. You never know what's going to happen next. Chat. You know what I mean? So that part's kind of good. They look like the old AAM chat. This isn't fun at all. Change it to being the theme of an old AIM chat. We'll see what it says now, Beacon. We'll see what it says now. Make it hot dog stand theme. No! Put that PhD to work. Exactly. It's enhancing the interface. Setting the font? Oh. AIM chat container. I mean, okay, we'll put it in. We'll put it in, boys. We'll put it in. Oh, chat. Choose or use display, chat, message, text, instant message. Oh, now we're talking font. We need different font size though. Text, large. Border gray 400. What are text blue 700? Why isn't this working? Do we just not have green? Oh, that's for this. Where is their span? Oh, we gotta say text black, I think. Can we just do black? Keep typing.
Yesterday,
it's okay, but it looks weird. Agreed.
So just do it.
Oh, chat, look at this. Oh, oh, nice. We've got it now. Now add the AIM sound every time you get a message. I do think we should take this. We should be able to have Why is it right aligned? That's what AAM did, didn't it? We should let people switch the theme. That's the obvious. That's sort of like the obvious thing is you should be able to use your Teej points to be able to switch this. Oh, yep, Wasabi. That's exactly what I was saying as well. Yes, exactly. Exactly. All right, well, we pretty much have Twitch chat working. You sure how to get the chat from Twitch? What do you mean? We are using WebSockets, and then we just like listen to the messages. It's so cursed with the new text at the top. I know. I don't know what the best method for this is, except didn't AIM have red and blue names? The main problem is the messages don't show up at the bottom. Hello? Use Twitch username colors? Yeah, I don't think I saved that yet, but we can do that later. Flex, call, reverse right here. Flex, call, reverse. Check W. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, that didn't work. Change fold, left fold, right? I mean, we could insert them the other way around too. It's fine, but it's not that good. Yeah, we'll set a width. Max width, MX auto. No, oh, MX auto is fine. We should go W XL. Can we claim custom icons in chat for Teej coins? Oh, that's a good idea. That is a good idea. Oh, did it? Hello, world. This is Teej. No, it should be the other way around. Flex column needs to be in the flex container. Where do we have flex? Flex items start. It should be this one, right? Flex here. Then shouldn't this be the ones holding each of the items? Fog. Crazy. There we go. Yeah, because these divs are generated for all of them. Yeah, so it works now. I'm flexing on all the haters right now. Flexing on all the haters. Much flex. Yeah. Now add AI generated JS. Flexing on the haters. Yep. Using so wide just expands the box with a little message. Yeah. Feels okay, man. Clap. So then now what we need to do is we need to remove these chat messages effortlessly. Which I don't know what would people do for this? No, it doesn't do anything right now. It just keeps the chat. So that's the part I don't know what to do next. Eyes work. Yeah, when you just paste them directly. Yeah, but like Teej DVW won't work. It's just going to say Teej DVW. Elixir have 10. Oh, just like a range of them. And just do the last ones. But I kind of want to make it so they like fade away. You know what I mean? So the easy option for this is, where do we have chat messages? Yeah, I'm thinking we might have to do something like that. So let's just say we have this. We'll just ask ChatGPT if there's an easy way to do this. I have the following Elixir code. I want to not allow more than 10 messages at a time. Always picking the most recent. What should I do? Yeah, we'll sort it all out later. enum take 10. You can, that won't, oh yeah, because this, oh, it just takes the head, right? Oh, that's a nice option. Sure, we'll do that. We can give that a go. Can you believe in you of him like that? I just did. All right, more messages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, we obviously need to fix the width problem that we've got going on here. But that's pretty good. I got rate limited. That's funny, Beacon. Max width MD, MX auto. Isn't this like, how do I do this? Can I just go width MD? That doesn't seem like it's working, right? How do I set this? Or is it working now? It's just because nothing's in here to start with, or what? Could be. Oh yeah, that probably makes sense. Min width here. Max width MD, like this. Oh, I see. Then I need to say W full, like take the max width. Got it. That makes sense. So take the full width. Always. Got it. Got it. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yep. I hate CSS. I'm learning it now, though. I'm learning it. Always take the full width, right? So take the full width, and here's what the max width should be. Makes sense. Makes sense, chat. This is why we have AI to write CSS for us. Exactly. So this is going to move it over to here, but I actually want it to be... I don't know how to make this go to the right. Let me think about this. First off, we don't want a border. We don't want this. We'll get rid of those. We don't want any BGs on this, I don't think. I'm not going to put the instant message thing inside of here. Sorry, chat. We're going to get rid of the top part there. And we're not going to do this either. We need something else here, though, to put... Script alert! You've been hacked! Avatars. Yeah, oh, we do have them as well, right? So we can go... image source is chat.user.profile image URL. Sure. That should put your avatar in there. That might be too big. We'll see. Don't you think this is risky? What about it's risky? What do you mean? We already have Twitch chat on the screen.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, yes. OCaml is actually my favorite.
I don't understand. What would be more risky about it? But hey, thanks, Howard, sir. I appreciate that. We are a risk. I know you guys are a risk. I'll just permaban them, though, if they're idiots. What? I don't understand. It's just that you just permaban them. You just say bye-bye, and then they're gone, you know? Oops. Make the background. Yeah, we will. I thought I was subbed. Twitch can be frustrating. Yeah. So we need to make it so that like this part is not so scuffed, right? Like, why are they on different lines? They shouldn't be on different lines. This needs to be like class is flex row, so that these line up. I think. Why differ on that? Because we're gonna put them next to each other. Like this. P4, I think. Or no, M4. Back from lunch. Where are my points? Or is it P4? Maybe it's P. You can wrap long test string somewhere later. Yeah. You can just do the previous one as well. How would I do it before for these two to be on one row and then this one to be on another row? Chat user dot display. Yeah. What about it? It's right here. Testing non-ASCII pointing. Sweet. Thank you. That shouldn't be a problem though. Vert align the username with the middle of avatar. Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm trying to set it so that it's more, I mean, we could. I'm not saying we can't. I don't know. Item center. Yeah, that's probably here, right? I want to do this. Put raw before oh, okay. Yeah, that's a good idea. What do I need to do to make these have a little bit of spacing? I thought it was P4 or M4, but I don't know. Gap 4. Thank you. That's what I always forget. Gap 4 head. Oh, chat. Now we're talking. Look at that. Now we're talking. We got to get the colors in, obviously. We didn't save the colors, I don't think, initially, but we can add the colors later. We got to add emotes, obviously, as well. Because it's pretty lame. Oh, and it's not doing text wrap. So we need to go here and go text wrap, I think, right? That wasn't it, was it? Oh, this one probably needs text wrap, right? No, this one here. This needs text wrap. Does this use Twitch API? It is using Twitch's API, yeah. But we've like changed the data slightly to fit. So we just need to go thread the color through. Oh, sure, it just ignores my message. It didn't look like it did. Noise, this is test. Hi, mom. It's word break, not text wrap. Okay. I need to go word break like this. I don't know which one it is. I need to turn Tailwind LSP for this. Break all or break words. Break words like this. We'll try that. New line, new line, new line, new line. New line, new line, new line. Sweet. Nice. There we go. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Yap, 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 yap. Nice. Lol, what's with my avatar? That's your avatar. What do you mean? You must never have picked one. Yeah. Look at the first one. Oh, was it broken at first? Yeah, I have the thing set up so that it starts like a job to go download these later. And then they finds it. So it might not happen right away. I don't know. Like North Rock, if you type again, will you have an avatar? I don't know.
Made it properly tail recursive, like
oh, hey, thank you.
Actually my favorite.
Thanks, Bam Bam Pecos. Who knows? Nice, yeah. So I don't, on the very first time that you chat, I like go and down. Oh no, I don't why would I be downloading it? That doesn't make sense. I don't think I'm downloading them. Profile, tasks, update, profile pictures. Why did I do that? Am I downloading them? Which profile URL? User profile map image. Repo get change set here. Repo update. API handler. When we get a new chat message, I should just write that there, I feel like. Chat handler. Can we upsert the user? Oh, it's just because I don't have it here. This should be happening here. I don't know why I did that the way that I did. Update user profile, because like there's really no reason to not have this, or it doesn't get, maybe it doesn't get included in this message. I wonder if this doesn't get update. We don't get it in the chat message. I'm not sure. Let me think. Twitch API. Scheduling broadcast. This is in event sub and reference channel chat. Notification. Yeah. Where is my chatter user ID, name, anonymous, badges, info, message. Yeah, it just doesn't come in on the first one. Oh, no, that's for raid. Okay, that's for raid. Yeah, no. So I don't think it comes in. They don't send it every time. Right? So it's like it just doesn't come in on this. That's why I did that. So I don't want to make a request for it every single time. So I just like occasionally queue for it, and then it'll check like once a day to update it. Oh, nice. We got that sick Unicode working still. There's probably like text overflow hidden or something like that I need to do to not let that happen. I don't know. I'm not too worried about it. Okay, so that's pretty good. That works pretty all right. What's up, Isaiah? Welcome in X chat. All right, I gotta go pretty soon. Overflow hidden. Yeah, we can. That's in overlay live. That would be inside of here. We want to do like overflow hidden. What's a Teej coin? Good question. Oh, nice. There you go. Looks fixed. Yeah. The background's so bright. My eyes. Well, we're going to change it to something else, and we'll set it to be, like, more transparent anyways. Okay. I got to go. I got to go. Go. I got to go. I got to go. Oh, I gotta go. All right. We'll go raid prime. All right. We'll be back tomorrow. I'm thinking.
The missile knows where it is at all times. It knows this because it knows where it isn't.
TJ chat already working better than Twitch chat. It is crazy that you can just do like one CSS thing and fix a problem that apparently Twitch hadn't had fixed for a long time. Like, why is it that I can just write overflow hidden and then it fixes the problem, but then like Twitch for some reason takes 3 years to do this? You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it should be under. It's a little bit confusing because it's here, but there's a bunch of other things inside of it. Which I think I'm safe to commit here. Let's see. What could go wrong, honestly? What could go wrong? What could go wrong? We'll just push. Okay, there you go. So now it's updated. Can't wait to get your private keys off the commit. That's what I'm saying. It probably did not. Probably did not. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.